So you can see I'm just resting the lobes on my single wire because that'll be the easiest to solder first. So I'm just going to flex that and then place one single piece of solder, and I'm still using hard solder for everything. And place the solder with your flex brush. Your same neutral flame. Let's see if I can zoom in so you can see a little better. Get it to focus. There. Now, what I want to do is basically come straight across so I get the lobe of the heart and the single wire. So there it goes. Now I can quench it, push these wires up here so that they touch, and then I'll solder them, and they'll be quite easy because they'll just be soldered on the outside. Now what I'm going to do is just spread this end where it was touching using my little Swiss Army knife. And we're ready to solder. Place your solder with your flex brush. You could pick solder this if you wanted to. And I think I want to just because it's a little more control. So your neutral flame. Pick up your solder on your solder pick. Bring this up to temperature. Place your solder. Do the other side. Ta-da! So there's our setting. Clip your claws, I would say 3 mil long, plenty long. You just use your side cutters. Now it's slightly off, and we can just use our pliers to bend it into position. And you need to trim all of this stuff off the bottom. You can saw or file and then sand. Check the fit of your stone and just drop it down in there. So there's the setting. Nice and easy. Now leave all of this alone until you decide what you're going to do with this. If you're going to turn it into a pendant, I would solder a small jump ring right here, and then a bail or a larger jump ring. If you're going to make it a setting for a ring, then I would cut the ring shank on a little bit of an angle to match that angle, and then solder it into place. And after that's all done, then I would cut the claws to length, file them to half their thickness, file the top flat, and then set the stone. Setting number 1.